Apple. Okay, I'm sorry guys. I can't rip you apart.
Oh. There we go.
Sorry guys, I think I might have broken your wife's skin off. I'm sorry.
Broke his skin off.
Yeah.
The wife's.
I know. Yeah, I like ripping women apart. That's rude.
What's up?
Hello, welcome to another vlog. Today we're doing chicken nugget fun. Okay then, as you can see, I've got some lovely nuggets right here. I'm just placing them all on here and getting them ready to cook. It's going to taste so nice. I can already feel my hunger screaming for these lovely nuggets. These nuggets are, as I said, these are not sponsored, and these are Tesco Everyday Value chicken nuggets. And the others are some lovely chicken burgers by Birds Eye, also not sponsored. Checked out my Nutella challenge. Yeah, you can see some of all the crumbs in there. Isn't it yummy? I could just eat them cold. Should I do that? Okay then. So, some more nuggets. Are we gonna get this go on the road? I don't think I'm gonna have enough room. I'll have to cook it more. I'm going to do 2 lots of cooking. Come on, give me nuggets. Come on, nuggets.
Stuff them back.
I love chicken nugget, chicken nugget, chicken nugget. Chilled chicken nugget, chicken nugget, chicken nugget. Oh my god, look, I got 2 stuck together. Look at this. OMG.
Rip them off, it's too dirty.
Come on, I'm sorry to break your marriage, guys. Apple. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I can't rip you apart. Oh.
There we go.
Sorry, guys. I think I might have broken your wife's skin off. I'm sorry.
Broke his skin off.
Yeah.
The wife's.
I know. I like ripping women apart. That's rude.
What's up? Hey? I was just facing too much.
Yeah, oh my god, I got another married couple. Am I going to have to split this married couple up as well? I broke them off again. And it's so sad, I'm crying. It's like Titanic. Not sponsored again. Okay, okay, I want all these chicken nuggets to fit. I'm a fat guy, I need succulents. Look at my lovely chicken nuggets. They look so succulently fresh. And as you can see, I'm going to be cooking these babies and shoving them down my throat.
Sharing them.
Yeah, I'm giving like 3 to someone else. As you can see, they're roasting. 12 minutes. Look at those sexy nuggets. Sexy nuggets in the oven, yeah. Look at this. I could just eat them right now. There's like 50 nuggets here. And I'm going to eat every single flipping one of them. Oh, look at these yummy. Oh, look at that. Oh, yum. This is not sponsored, as I said. So, hello again. 5 minutes until the nuggets are ready to divulge on. But first, shout out guys. Shout out to Louie Hine. I know she'll be watching this, so shout out to you. Also, makeup challenge next Thursday evening. That should go live, or Friday morning. Got some other challenges to put up. The baby food challenge. As long as you can get the baby food next week, guaranteed Thursday evening. And then also we've got how can I put this? The Copimento challenge is going to be done. It's going to be done. But before that, James. Now everyone's talking about him. Now, can we please stop? You know, pretty cool. You know what I mean? But he loves chicken nuggets. Anyway, I want him to have some chicken nuggets. Not my chicken nuggets, but he does have chicken nuggets. Anyway, yeah. So that's that. Also, this week, Twitter has been doing so good, and so is Instagram. So I love you guys for that. And London Vlog Diaries, I bet you all can't wait for that. It's going to be great, isn't it? So this I expect will be going live on Sunday. This should be Sunday if you're watching it. If not, you're watching it after I've uploaded it. Yeah, you should have been here when I uploaded it. Oh well. Also, shopping in Morrison's is great. Not sponsored. You've got to come to that too. And I love you guys. Hey, time to take the food out. It's so exciting. Okay, next. Hot, hot. Hey guys, it's actually time to do this. It's like 60 or 50 nuggets here. I don't know. It's between 50 and 60. It ranges per pack. Got my Dr. Pepper. As you guys know, I do love Dr. Peps. It's like literally the best. I've got some tomato sauce, as you have to have, and some mayonnaise, as you have to have. I'm going to have 10 minutes. This is so good. Make her amazing. This is like the most amazing person. Mayonnaise. Got it all on my thumb. Just loving the nuggets. Just loving the nuggets. So yeah. And if some of you guys do some chicken nugget challenges and post your video responses. Oh my god, why did I do this? James loves that. Why should I agree to this? Chicken nuggets are the thing. You know you love it. I bet you guys are loving this. I'm running out of sauces. And why am I doing this to my body? Like, why? How many have I got left? Neuf. Nine if you're in England. Neuf if you're in France. I got like I hope not time. Only got 7 left. Would you like to have it? Would you? Oh. That was for you, James. That's for you. Oops. Oh, ha, ha, oh, ha. Mmm. Oh, it's so. I can be sick. I can do this. I am not a failure. Oh. That was odd. Ow! I bit my tooth. I bit my cheek. My camera lady is finding this way too funny, you know, guys. Oh my gosh, call me maybe. Last nugget.
And in it goes. Mom. 5 minutes.
And I have 7 seconds left.
Well done.
Ah, wow. That was fun, guys. Torturous, but fun. I'm loving you guys already. And yeah, it's really, really fun. Some more videos coming next week and the next few days. And guys, as I say, ciao for now. Just stop filming!